My name is Daniel Brown. I'm a senior lecturer in the School of Medicine at Curtin University. Last year, we did a review on the use of animals in our undergraduate teaching, and we decided that it would be better, not only from the standpoint of animal ethics, to completely remove the use of cane toads in our teaching, but would be better from a standpoint of the careers of our undergraduate students if they were to instead learn muscle and nerve and endocrine physiology using alternatives to animal research. So we completely replaced and removed the use of animals from our undergraduate teaching altogether with the use of human-based laboratory practicals where students electrically stimulate their own nerves and measure muscle contraction, nerve action potentials, and then also perform various simulations related to the endocrine system. We teach students muscle physiology, nerve physiology, endocrine physiology, among other things. We could actually achieve the same outcomes without the use of animals, and we could do it in a way that was a more real-world applicable, meaningful for the students.